So hey, what's up guys? I am doing this Hello Kitty makeup look, and this is the photo I was inspired by. I got it off Pinterest, and I looked up the person and I followed her on Instagram, but I don't know if they wanted her to do it, but I went on her Instagram and she has like other face makeup like stuff you can like use, but this one wasn't on there, so I don't know if somebody made it and wanted her to use it. I don't know, but I'm giving the credit where credit is due. And so instead of doing red, I did pink because I was like, Hello Kitty is more pink vibes than red to me. And I did the little yellow nose, and I messed up on the whiskers, but that's okay. Keep on watching if you want this, or I don't know why I pointed my lips, but if you want a tour on this. I'm priming my eyes, and then I'm going to put concealer. I always put a lighter concealer to make the colors pop. But I was thinking maybe I should start doing a white concealer when I want the extra color to pop. How do y'all feel about that? But I'm taking a light pink shade and putting that all over. This is the transition shade. I'm taking a dark pink shade and I'm putting it on the outer part and like blending it together. I'm cutting a crease with this concealer, and the colors I'm going to be using on the cut crease is white and blue. So I just did my face regular. I just prime and then put my concealer on my face. But I'm taking that same like dark pink. At first I used the light pink just to like trace where I'm gonna put it. But I used the dark pink. I kind of just bring the eyeshadow out, as you can see. And then I also used that same color for the blush. Forgot to say, I'm also dragging the pink down a little bit, just like halfway, and then I'm gonna put white connecting to like the white to my cut crease. And now I'm adding the blush. I'm just like putting it all over my nose and cheeks. And at first I did try to use a blush. I forgot that I had a pink blush, but I just ended up using like the eyeshadow as it, like I said before. And then I put a little bit on my forehead because that's what I usually normally do. Now for the exciting part, I'm just using the yellow face paint and I'm making a yellow circle at the like tip of my nose. And then I use black for the whiskers. I could have done better on the whiskers, I feel like, because I feel like they was not even, or to me, they was not even. And I'm also putting on mascara right now, top and bottom, like always. If you like this video, comment down what's your favorite part about the makeup. I do like the blue contrast to it and the yellow nose. I don't know, the whiskers. I just love it. And I love Hello Kitty and Friends. Cinnamon Roll is my favorite character. And which one below is your favorite character?